You can make your data a lot more easy to interpret by aligning it correctly in your cells. The decision to align it left, right, top, or bottom is going to depend on the type of data that you're using.
Numbers generally look better aligned to the right, whereas text generally looks better aligned to the left. So if we align these to the right, you'll see that that doesn't really look as good. So let's undo that. And with a small table like this, you might think aligning these in the center looks good. Now that is fine, but the important thing here is that whenever you've got alignment of data, you want to make sure that the alignment of the headings matches it. So that looks pretty good, or you're going to align them all to the right. And let's just have a look at what they look like to the left. Yeah, that one doesn't look as good. So we're going to go with right alignment for those numbers and the column titles. So when you want to align your cells, you can use these options here. This is left, center, right. You also can align them vertically. So you've got top alignment, middle alignment, and bottom alignment. And that matters more when you've got large rows. We might want to align that in the center, for example. Here are the shortcuts that you can memorize for these. It just involves pressing Alt-H-A and then choosing, R for right, L for left, etc. So if I want to show that, I can do Alt-H-A, and then you see those options here. I might just choose C. Now I use these pretty often, so these are shortcuts worth learning, but because the letters correspond to the word, it's pretty easy to learn.